Some breaking inputs on the broadcast. At the moment, we have accessed the order copy of Tahir Hussein's conviction. So a Delhi court has held him guilty in the murder of IB staffer Ankit Sharma, and Times Now has accessed the order copy. In fact, let me take you through the sections under which he has been convicted. Accused Tahir Hussain is convicted for commission of offences punishable under 188 of the IPC, 153A, Section 149 IPC, Section 147, Section 149, 148. These are the sections under which Tahir Hussain has been convicted. The order copy also talks in detail about the sections that have been invoked against the other accused. Along with Tahir Hussain, 4 co-accused have been held guilty. Let me go across to Bhavtosh, who's going to take us through the order copy. Bhavtosh, take us through the operative portion.
Well, as far as the order copy is concerned, it has now been accessed by Times Now. It specifically mentioned the role played by Tahir Hussain. Remember, Tahir Hussain, along with 10 others, were convicted by a Delhi court yesterday. Now, the court had said that prima facie there is enough evidence against Tahir Hussain to make him guilty of the offense of murder, along with other sections of IPC. Tahir Hussain was arrested right after the riots right after the riots got over, and is found guilty of the sections of murder. He has been convicted for the murder of IB staffer Ankit Sharma. Now, the court had said that he, in fact, was involved, in which at least 4 others have been found guilty. Remember, when the orders of framing of charges happened, the court had said that he was the one who instigated the mob, which specifically targeted Hindus, and the court had further said that Tahir Hussein's residence was targeted. But in a very pre-planned manner, he then instigated the crowd to target and also drag Ankit Sharma, and Ankit Sharma was then brutally murdered. The police investigation had said that Ankit Sharma was stabbed at least 51 times. The order copy mentions that he, along with at least 5 others, were responsible for the murder of Ankit Sharma. Yesterday, when the order came out, the BJP, in fact, targeted Aam Aadmi Party, whereas Aam Aadmi Party said that he was immediately, Tahir Hussain was immediately suspended from the party, later removed, and he fought the election, joining All India Muslim League Party, and they further said that politics should not be played over this entire matter. As far as the order is concerned, the court has said there is enough evidence to make him guilty of sections of murder. He has been convicted. The point of sentence and the also argument of over it will be done at a later stage. The maximum that he can face is up to death sentence. The prosecution has already said that they will be demanding death for him.
All right, Bhavtosh, stay on with us. We also have Deepankar joining us in the broadcast. Deepankar, and para 1.6 specifically talks about how stones, bricks, burnt articles, broken bottles, glass bottles were all recovered from outside Tahir Hussein's building. It also goes on to talk about how this structure, this building that belonged to Tahir Hussain, was used by the pelters, it was used by the rioters, miscreants and accused persons for brick batting, stone pelting, pelting of petrol bombs and acid bombs.
Well, yes, these were all part of the submission that have been made before the Delhi court while this matter was being heard, and it was very categorically pointed out that this was all done with a common intention of creating riots, and even the court had, while framing charges, had also agreed upon the fact on a prima facie basis that there was an intention of targeting Hindus in this entire case. And as we had also seen during the reports that were being made, during the reporting that was being done, that these things were being recovered from the areas where the riots had happened, and the building was part of the building where a catapult could be seen fixed on the roof of that building, was being used to throw these stones, throw acid bottles and all these things on the people who were who were passing in that area. So these were all part of the submission that was made, and the court, taking all that into consideration, has now convicted Tahir Hussain along with 4 other accused in this entire case. The argument on sentencing is yet to be done. The sentence is yet to be decided. But yesterday, I personally spoke to the prosecutor, who went on to say that they will be going for the maximum sentence that is there in the cases of murder, that is Section 302, which is a life sentence. They will be pleading for life sentence in this entire case. And
Right.
they also...
Dipankar, stay on with us. It's a 320-page order that my team, my colleagues are going through at the moment. And Meenakshi is joining us from the newspaper to highlight the operative portion. Yes, Meenakshi.
So yes, Swati, as you rightly pointed out, it is a rather lengthy document, 320 pages. We've accessed the entire copy here. Some key pointers. Now, what did the court say? The court said, and the very, very significant, that they find that the testimony of the prosecution has successfully proved beyond all reasonable doubt that at the time of incident, the accused were both members of a large crowd, and the entire crowd was mobilized. The large crowd, unlawful assembly, which with animus against Hindus, had assembled at this particular area. The common objective was committing, rioting, looting, arson, causing damage, and it was likely that this type of an assembly could result in someone's death or someone being killed. In fact, the entire conclusion also, we will be highlighting for our viewers. Again, as you rightly pointed out, rather lengthy document, and we are also still going through all the pages.
Meenakshi, we'll continue to do that. For the moment, thank you for getting us the details. Thank you to Bhavtosh and Dipankar as well. We'll continue to track this big story on the other side as well. For the moment, a quick break.